Hello, WIBA members and friends that might consider coming to my next class that is on dynamic data automation. I know that you have some important data to analyze coming up soon. You've got the Halloween treat bag. So I'm going to be talking about things like here you see that I am using a drop-down list. This is called data validation. I want you to be able to set these up in your sheets. I'm also going to show things like conditional formatting, where you can turn on an automatic, yes, automatic formatting for cells that will change them to a color. So it will point out things that become important to you, and you can highlight them as you need them. You can also do some things like the sorting. I only want to see the chocolates. There you go. Do I want to see these high to low? I sure do. What's coming up? So sorting largest to smallest. And anyway, some fun things like this. So I hope you consider coming to that dynamic data automation in Excel. It's next Tuesday, October 22nd, 11 to 1. We're having it at the Alzheimer's Association building. It includes lunch, only $30. Come on now, come and see me. I know you learned some stuff before. Come see me again. Let's do this.